We all have our ups and downs, but what do celebrities do when they're down and out in Beverly Hills? Believe it or not, many take their valuables to a pawn shop. Other famous faces go there not to pawn, but to borrow or buy high-end baubles. And that's where we found Dancing with the Stars' George Hamilton. George Hamilton's rumba failed to impress the judges last night, but the bling he brought for dance partner Eddie Tug couldn't be missed.
Doesn't she look like $2 million?
Yeah, and actually is.
But Hamilton didn't pick up those jewels at Harry Winston or Cartier. Instead, it was this pawn shop hidden away in Beverly Hills, a little-known secret of the stars.
You can be rich and famous and you need cash in your pocket, you know?
Yossi Dina is the model of discretion. He won't say which of the rich and famous have come to his shop desperate for cash, but he can recite a who's who list of famous faces, all of whom buy his high-end pieces at bargain basement prices.
Liza Minnelli was here, Judge Judy, Winona Ryder, Leonardo DiCaprio bought a beautiful watch for me not long ago.
Inside this vault are millions upon millions in jewels, artwork, watches, silver, even a fur, all from some of the wealthiest people in the world, caught up in a cash flow crunch.
I mean, I get cars, I have a Ferrari, I have a Bentley, I have a Rolls-Royce. I have a guy that took a $200,000 money to make a movie and he pawned his wife jewelry.
Elton John once owned this brooch, but not everything's for sale, including this Super Bowl ring pawned by a raider.
I pawned about 12 years ago from a guy that needed money, got hurt from the raiders, and I'm still holding this for him, and eventually we'll pick it up.
It's that kind of service that keeps dancing stars like George Hamilton customers for life.
Now, if she dumps Alec, she could have the jewelry, but that's not a good bet. I wouldn't take that bet right now.
George?
All right.
George, don't do that to me. I'm starting to think about strange things.
Oh, God, check, please.
Yossi's jewels were such a hit last night on Dancing with the Stars. Lisa Rinna is planning to borrow some for next week's show.
After a whole bunch